Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore TikTok Shop catalog with TikTok Ads Manager step by step clearly. Open your TikTok Ads Manager account. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets section in the top menu. Click on Catalogs from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of your existing catalogs. Select the catalog that needs to be restored. On the Catalog Details page, look for the Manage button. Click on Manage to access your catalog settings. In the Manage section, locate the Restore option. Click on Restore to begin the restoration process. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection. After confirming, wait for the restoration process to complete. Once the catalog is restored, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Check for any missing information or images. If there are any discrepancies, update the catalog items as needed. Save any changes made to your catalog. Finally, verify that your catalog is now active and ready for use. This completes the restoration of your TikTok Shop catalog using TikTok Ads Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.